So let me start first with the completed gingerbread tree. So I've got a sparkly snowflake on the top, got gingerbread, boy and girl, and a lollipop. And as you can see, there is those peppermint garlands and those. And here are all the things that I showed that I made. So like the cups, the gingerbread houses, there's a gingerbread person. Here's some that people sent to me, the flowers, there's a baking dish, here's the Santa gingerbread, a gingerbread house, and I will put a link to all the things that I made in the description below. So if you are interested in any of these homemade goodies, I will put those links for you. Here's some more that people gave me. And these are all the jars and I made for my friends. And then here is a little gingerbread display on a side table. There she is. And here's the couch. And here is the gingerbread sled. And then this is a really special piece. My parents went to Israel probably almost 2 decades ago and brought this olive wood nativity from Bethlehem for me. So super love that.